Hi cuties, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw Among Us in Naruto. So let's get started. First draw a curve and a straight line down. And then curve outwards. And a curved line. And a curved line down. And curve outwards. And then stop at here. And for the hair, I will continue to draw it. Until here. And then draw the eyes. And now I will draw the back. Then we will draw the Naruto headband with the symbol. And then draw the Naruto hair slowly, line by line. And then we will draw the crow. Draw a curved line, and again. And add detail to it. And then for the face, I will add the Naruto whiskers. And continue with the crow. And now we have finished Among Us in Naruto. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.